Hello, and welcome to this week's Solution Saturday. In this video, we're going to go through question 40 from the Consortium Group 2 2011 paper. Make sure to check out the other videos in the playlist for more worked solutions for this paper, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our other videos. Consider this question. A set of 5 square-based boxes are made from centimeter cubes, and each box fits exactly inside each other, with the tops level. The dimensions of the largest box are 14 by 14 by 13. What are the dimensions of the second box? We know that each centimeter cube is 1 centimeter thick. Therefore, the height of the next box will be 1 centimeter less than the previous. So, 13 minus 1 is 12. So we know that the height of the next box is going to be 12 centimeters. The base, however, will be 2 centimeters less than the previous, because there's 1 centimeter on either side. Therefore, the base is 14 minus 2, which is 12. So, the dimensions of our next box are 12 by 12 by 12. Let's move on to part B. What are the dimensions of the smallest box? For this question, we're going to use the same method as in the previous one, to count down until we reach the dimensions of the smallest box. The first box that was given to us was 14 by 14 by 13. The second, which we found out, is 12 by 12 by 12. Using the same method, we can find that the third box would be 11 by 10 by 10. The fourth box would be 8 by 8 by 10. And our fifth box, which happens to be the smallest, is 6 by 6 by 9. So that gives us our answer of 6 by 6 by 9. And finally, let's move on to part C. How many cubes are used to make the third box? We already know the dimensions of this cube are 10 by 10 by 11. We can split up our calculation into a few steps. Let's break up our cube into its base and sides. The base we know is 10 by 10 blocks. Each block is 1 centimeter squared, so there's no need to account for anything else in our calculation. 10 multiplied by 10 gives us 100 cubes. And this is for the base. We have counted 1 layer of the height as the base, and therefore we need to subtract 1 from our height. This time, however, we can't do 10 by 10 again, as we'd be counting the cubes at each corner twice. Instead, our calculation will be 10 multiplied by 9, which gives us 90. In this way, we would be counting 1 corner per side. Once we multiply this by 4, as there are 4 sides, all our corners will be accounted for. So 90 multiplied by 4 is 360. Our final answer will be the sum of the number of blocks for the sides and the base, so that's 360 plus 100, which gives us our final answer of 460 cubes. Thank you for watching! We hope you've been able to build on your knowledge of 3D shapes. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out on our other platforms. Check out the other videos in the playlist for more solutions on tricky questions from this paper.